All right, all right, all right. Welcome back, everybody. What are we doing? Replacing the high-mounted brake light bulb, 2002. This one is a 2002 Toyota Rav4. So second generation high-mounted brake light bulb located in the tailgate, right behind this. Real easy. You need a 7443 number bulb. Actually, I got the package right there. Hang on. There it is, 7443. I have one left in my toolbox. That's awesome. I'm gonna pop that in. Didn't know if I had one. There it is. We're gonna get it done. This is a 2-minute job. The video is gonna be like 25 minutes explaining stuff, but 2 minutes. Right here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Give me a second. Readjust my camera. Let's see. There we go. Well, yeah. Okay. I'll just move it in a bit. There we go. You want to grab underneath here, right underneath, both hands. Got that? Pull. Use your fingers as wedges against the window. Pop and pop. Listen for it. Wait for the car to go by. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There's one pop. See it's coming off? And the other one, it's right in behind there. Pop, pop. Doesn't sound good, does it? But look, it's a metal clip on a plastic cover, metal clip, plastic cover, into that hole and into that hole. Brake light bulb is right there. Okay, you got that so far? Twist it. You're going to twist it counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. No, wait, sorry. Clockwise. No, wait. No, it's kind of, no, wait. There we go. It's counterclockwise. There's the bulb. Counterclockwise. There's the bulb. And it's burnt. How can you tell? Well, number one, you step on the brake pedal and there's no light. Number two, it's dark. It's burnt out inside. One of the filaments is gone. The filament is gone. Get your new replacement bulbs, your 7443. And all you're going to do is, be careful here, push it in. That's it. That is installed. Well, 90%, 80, 50%. Give me 50. Now there's one, two, three little slots, if you will, where this fits into. Did you see how I kind of counter-turned it? Now you want to clockwise turn it to lock it. You hear that click? That bulb is in. Pardon me. Take your cover. One clip, metal clip, second metal clip. There's 2 slots. 1, 2, or A and B? Sure. Put it on, line it up. Listen for it. Listen for it. How's that? How long did that take? Take it to the dealer. That's $40. I'm guessing $29.95 for labor and whatever price of the bulb is. Questions, comments, likes, all that fun stuff. Subscribe. Stumper 1. I'm out. Oh, by the way, while we're talking about vehicles here, there it is. Here's what I've done on this thing today. Oil change. Oil filter. Check the air filter. It was fine. My lens is dirty. Give me a cloth. Oil change. Check the air filter. Got that all ready to go for wintertime. Still looks dirty. Winter tire changeover. Check the brakes. Why do you check the brakes? Because I also did front brakes on this thing at the same time because they were about 15% remaining. And I didn't want to do it 3 months from now. So, done. Vehicle's ready to go for wintertime. Check the transmission fluid, check the coolant level and the strength. Topped up the windshield washer fluid. This guy's ready to go. Questions, comments, leave them. Thanks for watching. I'm out. I take my little thing with me. And the bulb. And my dirty gloves.